Eddie Dose and 2 reviews here with part 3. Turning a crate into a chest cabinet. So a tool cabinet. Tool chest. Okay, so right now I'm going to start sanding the tray. Show you a little bit of that. I'll show you one that I already did. So I sanded this one down already to get some water sealer on it. And let's get started with this one. Show you a little bit of this, and then we'll skip on to actually putting the water sealing on it. Alright guys, we're going to use some Thompson's water seal to seal these drawers. We're going to do 2 coats on them. This will be the first. I would just wait for it to dry, do a second coating, and then I'll show you guys when it's done. Okay guys, so now I have the drawers are drying. They're on their second coat, so we're going to start sanding down the actual chest here. So I'll show you parts of it, and then when I'm done I'll show you the rest of it. So the plan is to keep the inside in its natural color. Of course I'm going to sand everything down. Then I'm going to coat the inside with the waterproofing. And then once that's dry up, I'm going to put some painter's tape so it doesn't get messed up when I actually paint the outside. So let's get started. Okay, so the sanding is done. Now I just gotta wait. I had a little chip, so I had to put some wood glue on it, as you can see there with the clamp. So I'm just waiting for that to dry up, and then I can start waterproofing the tool chest. So when you see me again, that's what I'll be doing. Alright guys, I already did a first coat on the crate here, the tool chest. And I'm about to do a second coating. I did 1 coat inside. And I'm just going to do 1 coat inside, 2 coats outside. And then I'll show you what I'm going to do with the little sliding cabinets there. Alright, so here we go. And I'll show you guys what I do with the cabinets. Alright guys, so now for these inserts that I called cabinets earlier, I'm going to put some of this rubber matting. Just happens to be almost the exact size here that we need on the length. I just cut them up to size, and then I'll let you see how it looks. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like. Sorry about the noise in the background. And this is how they're gonna go inside. Alright guys, we're gonna start painting the crate. I waited a day for it to dry up. So now I'm gonna start painting it. It's gonna be blue. And let me get that started and then I'll show you some of the things I'm gonna add to it. Alright, so I'm gonna be adding, so I can lock it up. So that, a latch, and a bottle opener, for a cold one. Alright, so let's get started on this. Let me finish this one off. Let me give you guys a better view of the other side. Alright, there we go. That side for the first coat, then I'll let it dry off. I'll do a second coat, and I'll let you guys see what it looks like after the second coat. Alright, so we're going to let it dry off, and then we'll do a second coat. Alright guys, I'm going to start the second coat. Let's get you guys on this side. Alright guys, I'll catch up with you guys as soon as I'm done with this. Alright guys, I'm done painting it. Now we're just gonna have to wait for it to dry. Then I can put the hardware on. Alright guys, we're gonna install this latch. Pretty much centered it. I'm gonna use the Hercules 12 volt with the 4 amp battery to drill in the holes, the pilot holes, and then we'll screw it in. We use the 18 bolt to screw them on. Alright, now I'm going to install this part, and I'll be right back with you guys so you can see the end of this. So guys, there you have it. Bottle opener, latch. Let me open this up and show you something. So the idea was that I was going to leave it in its natural color. Like so. Well, let me rephrase that. The initial idea was to paint the inside white along the inserts. My wife said it was look better natural wood, but now she changed her mind. She says it would look better in white. So this was going to be the end of this crate to tool chest video series. This part 3, but I guess there's going to be a part 4. So thanks guys for watching. If you like, please subscribe, comment, thumbs up, thumbs down, whichever one. We take it all. Share with your friends. And as always, this is Daily Dose of 2 Reviews, signing out.